guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my Superman smoothie. Now what we're going to need for this recipe is around 6 ounces of beets and beet stems. Now you can also use the beet leaf, but I pulled these out of my vegan and organic garden and the leaves were a little too big. I'm also going to use 2 frozen bananas, 1 cup of a plant-based milk. Now I'm using my walnut milk. We've got 2 tablespoons of an unsweetened cocoa powder and then 1 cup of water. Now I'm also going to be using my Ninja Auto IQ blender, but any blender will work. I'm going to bring you guys in here and we are going to get started. For this recipe, all we're going to need to do is load up our blender. Now I'm going to take my beets and the stems and make sure they get in there good. I've got my 2 frozen bananas, break that in half. We've got our cocoa powder, and then we have 1 cup of plant-based milk, and then we've got our cup of water. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend this for around 60 seconds. We'll see how long it takes, but it should be around there, so I'm going to get started. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get a glass of this made up, and I'm also going to get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit, and I'll see you guys in just a second. I am back. I got the kitchen tidied up. I'm here with my Superman smoothie. I really hope you guys saw how simple this one is. Now, I got invited to go mountain biking or trail riding with a couple buddies. I don't normally go. It was actually my first time going, and we did, I think, around like 7-8 miles. Probably not a ton if you're used to it. But I knew as soon as I got the invite that I was going to be making this. We actually, back when I played at Nebraska, we would usually take a pre-workout made up of dehydrated powdered beets that you would mix in water. So the nitric oxide content in beets is outstanding. It's going to give you a good boost if you're going to go work out, go on a run, or just if you're feeling like you need a good pick-me-up in the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. Really, really good. Now, I like the flavor of beets. If you do not like the flavor of beets, you can always add a little bit more cocoa powder in there if you feel like the beets overpowering, but I think it's a good mixture. It goes down really smoothly, and it's just a fantastic smoothie, especially as beets are in season if you have them out in your garden or you see them in the store. So I'm Plant-Based Gabriel. If you didn't know that already, I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you did and you're on Facebook, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not on Facebook and you're on YouTube, go ahead and give a subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell. And as always, the recipes and full descriptions will be on my website at plantbasedgabriel.com. Really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon.